Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, for today's video, we will do an unboxing. Tama ba? Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, we will do an unboxing of this electric oven that we bought a while ago in SM Appliances. The brand of this electric oven is Hanabishi with 32-liter capacity. You can bake, you can roast a chicken, or even bake a pizza. Aside from these, we bought some baking tools and baking ingredients also. Let's get started. So this is how it looks like. So this is the temperature and this is the function. You can adjust the heat by this button, and this one is the timer. So if you will bake a cake, you can put a timer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yan, Hanabishi. You can bake pizza, roast a chicken, and bake a cake. You can even make hamburger. So this is how it looks like in the inside. Ayan. This is where you put, if you will roast a chicken, you will put something here. This portion is where the fat and some residue from your baked stuffs. Ayan. And yeah, this is their accessories. And this is the accessories of the electric oven. Ayan. So aside from these, we also bought some baking tools and some baking ingredients, just like this mixer. Yan. This is an Imarflex electric hand mixer, 5-speed with turbo, 250 watts power. Okay, let's unbox it also. It comes with 2 beaters and 2 dough hooks. Okay, you'll just input in here like that and like this. This one also. We usually use this in baking. Like that. Okay. So I also bought some baking tools, just like this loaf pan. It only cost 60 pesos. I bought it in SM also. And a sifter cost 179.75 pesos. And this mixing bowl, this is very important when you will do baking. So it only costs 249.75 pesos. And this is spatula. It costs 99.75 pesos. You need this spatula to mix all the ingredients and scrape all the ingredients in the side of the mixing bowl like this. Okay, so next you also need pasty brush. This pasty brush cost 69.75. Yan. 2 pasty brushes na siya. So, yan. You need it to brush your baking pans. I also bought cake turner for 109.75 pesos. And I also bought a measuring spoon. This is worth 79.75 pesos. Yan. 1/4 teaspoon, 1/3, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon. I also bought baking sheet. This baking sheet is cost 149.75 pesos. You will need this when you want to bake cookies. And this heart cake pan, this is cost 179.75 pesos. You will need this for special occasions, just like this coming February 14. It's Valentine's Day, so I will bake a cake with this cake pan. Okay, so yan. I also went in a baking store in SM Mega Mall, which is the Wonder Bake. It is located in lower ground floor Mega A. So they are selling baking tools, some baking tools and baking ingredients, just like this one. Muffin pan for 12 pieces. It cost 250 pesos. Ayan, and this cake board. If you want to bake a cake, you also need this. It costs 19 pesos per piece, so I bought 5 pieces. And I also bought this spring form pan, 9 inches. It costs 480. This is a bit pricey compared to all the baking tools that I bought today, because this one has a good quality. Yan, something like that. So you don't need to pull out the cake with a knife, because you can just like this. Yan. So it's a bit pricey, 480. And I also bought measuring cup. So this one cost 120 pesos. And I also bought cupcake liners. Yeah. If you want to bake cupcake or muffins, and this one cost 70 pesos. Ayan, 200 pieces na siya. So, sulit naman. Ayan. So, aside from this, I also bought some baking ingredients that I will need to bake a cake or a muffin. So, this one is mini chocolate chips. This is 1 kilogram and it costs 175 pesos. I also bought powdered sugar, 450 grams, worth 52 pesos. And this Dutch cocoa powder, 500 grams, worth 138 pesos. So I bought 2. And I also bought cake flour. So this cake flour cost 54 pesos. So I bought 2. So I also bought a storage for all of my baking tools and ingredients, so that everything that I need is just in here. For baking stuffs lang. Okay, so tomorrow we're planning to make chocolate muffins, and Patrick wants to make lasagna. So watch out for our next video. Bye!